Glad to see you again. Today I'm going to show you a different kind of special vehicle conversion truck. Here behind us is one unit 4x2 conversion truck delivered to the Peru. As we all know, in China there are two hot-selling brands in manufacturing special vehicles, HOWO and Shikman. I will show you HOWO chassis brand conveyor truck. XCMG brand is very famous. It's a star product of conveyor truck. The XCMG. First, let's see the cab. It adopts HW76 standard cab, one sleeper and air conditioning, providing a comfortable working environment for driver. All important information is clearly shown in the central instrument panel. Some spare parts also in the cab. It adopts SINOTRUK energy, ensuring sufficient power. Then this is SINOTRUK gearbox, and this is the nameplate. The max load is 23 tons. The max output is 120 cubic meters per hour. The horsepower is 320. Next, let's see the tire. We usually adopt 12.00R20. In order to adapt to different working environments, our customer also choose 12.00R20 for more stronger and durable. About its content today, we have been exporting like a wheel loader, excavator, dump truck to more than 120